calling all of you out there who go travelling on your bikes. You know those trips you've had where the weather's not quite played ball and you've all got really soaking and it's not particularly hot the next day. You get up in the morning and you have to do that awful thing where you pull on everything that's cold and wet and clammy, and then you've got to wait a while until your body temperature kind of half heats it up. That is just rubbish. I've had enough of it, and luckily Alpenheat has a solution, and I really, really want some. I honestly cannot tell you how often I wish I would have had a set of these travelling away, or even in the UK, you know, riding a bike away somewhere for work or business or going to visit people. These would have been super handy. They're quite easy to use, really. I mean, there's not really kind of much to the actual process of setting these up. They come with a car option as well, just in case you fancy drying your shoes or your hiking boots if you've been out walking the dog. Also though, it comes with a plug too, which means you can plug it into the mains at home. The choice is yours. Now, the heat that comes out of these units is about 30 degrees, so it's not too hot. It's a few degrees below your kind of natural body temperature, but obviously using a Venturi system, the air kind of moves out and dissipates through the boot or the glove or whatever, and dries it nicely. Now obviously with smelly, wet, damp stuff you get nasty, evil little bacterial horribleness, usually accompanied with an awful smell. But there is something within these units that forces smells and bacteria to show these units the goddamn respect they deserve. A UV light in each to kill off both. 99.9% gone. See you later, alligator, and the smells as well. Now, whenever I travel on bikes, I'm usually got a few bits and bobs I have with me, and these are things that come from basically experience of not having them when things go wrong. So puncture repair kit, tiny little first aid kit, you know, things that are basically handy. Cable ties. Oh man, never be without cable ties. You wouldn't believe how many times they've kind of saved me some trouble. And you know what? A set of these would actually, I think I could just about squeeze them into my emergency area in my backpack, because I would want these, especially if I was staying in a hotel or somewhere like that. I wouldn't want to put on wet boots or gloves the next day, because that sucks balls. No, set of these, in with the emergency kit, everything dry, feet and hands happy. Well, what else do you need to say? Silly me. Of course, you want more info on these, head to Bikerheadz. Go again. Silly me. Of course, I almost forgot. You want more info on these, head over to bikerheadz.co.uk.